Hey guys, Hayden Redding here with Palm Harbor Homes in Victoria. I'm here in the master bathroom of the Horizon 56. As you can see, you have the huge standalone tub, huge walk-in shower. This home is on sale for $169,900. We have the least expensive Horizon anywhere. We are also throwing in, on top of that sales price, free skirting. And what else are we throwing in, Alan?
Limestone pad.
Limestone pad. There you go. Free skirting and a limestone pad. Come here and check out the kitchen.
What's up? Check this big old island out. I'm 6'2", this sucker's 6.5 feet. Just to show you how big these islands are, all right? Now, just to let you know, as Hayden said, $169,900, yes, you get some free stuff with this, man. This house is a Wind Zone 2 construction. It's coastal ready. And this home has the best price in the state of Texas. You can't find a lower price on this Horizon or #1 selling home. Come out and see us, but before you go, take a look at the theater room.
What's going on, guys? J.R. Shelby, the general manager here at Palm Harbor, Victoria. This is the back half of the house. You got your 2 spare bedrooms, your spare bathroom back here. And my favorite part of the house, the fun room. This fun room has sold this house to more customers solely because of this room than any other part of the house. I mean, you can use this as your man cave. I've had plenty of moms, wives say they're gonna use this as their little arts and crafts room, or you can just use it to have your kids stay in here. This is their living room while you guys have the other one. This room is multifunctional. As the guys mentioned before, this house is on sale, $169,900. We'll get you a free limestone pad and free smart panel skirting. That price does include delivery and setup anywhere in the state of Texas. This house is bumped together, ready for immediate delivery. We want and need your business, guys. This house is ready, available. It's the hottest house still in the state of Texas. Come out, check it out, meet the staff. We'd love to meet with all of you guys. Y'all have a great day.